Here are the controls of the SKODA FABIA Colour Edition. So you lock and unlock. One unlock does one door. Two unlock does all doors. One lock locks and alarms the car. The second lock turns your interior alarm off in case there's anyone inside the car, which stops the alarm inside from being set off. When the car is locked, you can temporarily disable the alarm by pressing and holding the boot button, which will temporarily disable the alarm, allow you to pop anything in the boot and close the car back up with the car locking itself. Your petrol cap, once your car door is open, you just push in the middle and out it will pop. You've got your lovely ice scraper there on the inside, and all you do is twist and you can pop it in there while you're filling up. Pop it back in, twist and push shut again. In your boot, underneath the boot liner, we have your puncture repair kit with your compressor kit, your expandable foam, and also your locking wheel nut key and your towing hook. Your lights are automatic, so they just need to be left on the auto setting. And then to pop your fog lights on, pull out once for your front fogs, twice for your rear. Headlamp leveling, if there's no one in the car, have it on 0. For every passenger, have a number, and that will adjust the lights at night to stop you from blinding oncoming traffic. Got a little bit of a storage compartment down on the side. Your door mirrors are heated, and then you twist the line round to the right or the left, move the joystick to move your mirrors, and then in the winter you can pop them on the heated section. You've got your two front electric windows here as well, and it's a push ignition start. So like the old style cars, just a half turn of the key, one push will just pop your ignition on. In order to start the car, you need to have your foot on the brake, press and hold the button, and the engine will start. To turn the engine off, you just push the button again to switch off. Your windscreen wipers are on the right hand side. Down is a quick wipe, up is intermittent, and you can control the speed on the top here. Then you go normal and fast. Pull towards does the jets at the front. Push away once does your rear wiper, and if you push away even more, you get the water down the back. On the left hand side we have your full beam, which push away turns on, or pull towards is a flash. Your indicators with a soft touch or all the way on until the steering wheel is corrected. And then you also have your cruise control and speed limiter. So you turn the flip switch over to the left hand side to turn your cruise on. It shows you down here that your cruise is on. Get up to the speed you want, take your foot off the accelerator and press the bottom toggle which says set. You can increase the speed or decrease the speed. If you temporarily cancel it, you can resume back to what you were doing. But if you turn it off and on, you always have to start by pressing set. You can get to your speed limiter by pressing the button underneath where it says lim here, and that brings up your speed limiter. That works in the same principle, but you will still have your foot on the accelerator rather than the cruise control. On the right hand side of your steering wheel, these arrow buttons will allow you to change by pressing the right arrow button the different views you have on your virtual dash. By pressing the left arrow button will allow you to change what is in the middle depending on what you prefer. Some people like to have the radio, some people like to have their driving data. Your assistance systems is the top button here, which shows you that you do have lane assist on this vehicle. If you want to turn your lane assist off, you press the silver button in to untick, and then the top to take you back to your main screen. But ultimately, if you indicate, the lane assist doesn't kick in.